من لليتامى والأرامل كافل، من بالقيامة شافعا الله، من باسم رب العرش قد قرئ اسمه، أكرم بأحمد جل عن رباه، فإذا ذكرت العدل كان محمدا، وإذا نطقت الحق كان هداه. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our siyam and accept our salah. Welcome my brothers and sisters to another iftar program. Alhamdulillah, that Allah has blessed us so we can come together and we can be as one family. I want to welcome all of you actually. And today, which day of Ramadan? 16 or 17? 16th of Ramadan. The night of 20, the night of 17. But actually I want to tell you something. For those who are keep every day coming to the hall, helping, leading, setting up the table, putting those chairs, putting the food, and I noticed what? These days they are getting tired. So lots of work every day. So I just wanted to give them a quick message. So I see Faisal, is getting tired. Abdul Basit, getting tired. No? Okay, Sister Sanana, are you tired? No. Okay, where's Sister? Where's Sister Ruby? Are you getting tired? No, she is, mashallah. She's helping with her spirit. Yes. Okay, where's Sister Ruby? Raise your hand. Yes, she's here. Okay. So are you tired of preparing and helping, or are you tired of Brother Faisal? Brother Faisal. Okay. Then we have, mashallah, really appreciate their efforts. Brother Ashmir, Ishan, Ismail, Ishaq, all of them, mashallah, they are helping, assisting, distributing the food. May Allah accept from them, Allahumma ameen. So actually, I want you guys to be kind to those people so they can continue to the end of Ramadan. Every day when you always get criticized. So Brother Faisal, no matter what he made, he is still criticized. Why didn't he make this? Why didn't he make this? So there are some people it's hard to make them happy. You know that? So I always tell them we do not make that for people to be happy. We make it for Allah. Whether people are happy or not happy. We continue for the sake of Allah. So where's Abdul Basit? Where's Brother Abdul Basit? So Brother Abdul Basit, are you ready to renew the covenant today? That we will continue doing this till the last day of Ramadan? Yes, mashallah. Please, I want you to, give him a round of applause to encourage Brother Abdul Basit. That the same work every day with, mashallah, the efforts, people get tired. And unless we appreciate them, unless we show them and say, thank you for all the efforts that you are doing, that is something very important. And actually, I want to thank also Brother Shohan Islam for his great work. This man is doing lots of work behind the curtains. But actually, and I know that he doesn't want me to mention his name, but sometimes we need, as one family, to say to each other, thank you so much. Thank you, Brother Shohan Islam, for providing sponsoring the iftar for today. May Allah bless you, bless your family, and bless your son, Asif. Allahumma ameen ya Rabbal Alameen. And his son, Asif, actually is a great example for the community, and he's improving a lot. May Allah keep them always under his protection. tell them, may Allah reward you for all your efforts. Allahumma ameen. So let me know if you are ready for the lecture for tonight. So then one more time. You see Auntie Maya keep clapping, want everyone to keep quiet. So the song is here. I think it's the time to go between the tables. Yes, I'm tired, but what can I do? This is the community that makes the Imam tired. So who wanted to go for fishing after Ramadan? Okay, my wife raised her hand, mashallah. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I will, inshallah, invite you guys so we can all go for fishing together. Ismail, mashallah, he's my teacher in fishing, mashallah. Muhammad is here, mashallah. Yusuf, Allahu Akbar. Yes, mashallah, Yunus too. Want to go for fishing. Okay, so let me go directly to the topic for today. Since today we had the Islamic knowledge competition, and I think, mashallah, the kids, they did a great job. Mashallah. Where's Ruqayya? Where's Ruqayya? What do you think about the exam?
It was really good.
Alhamdulillah, takbir. Mashallah. So how many questions did you fail to answer?
None of them.
Allahu Akbar, mashallah. That's great. That's great. Okay, who else? Who else? Where's Heidi? MashaAllah. You did well? That's great. And Sister Nisma, inshallah, she did well. Also, MashaAllah. Who else participated? What's your name, sister? Huh? Samrat, inshallah. What do you think about the exam today? You did well? Alhamdulillah. Okay, where are the brothers? MashaAllah. Yusuf. Okay, let's go to them and ask. I actually like the interaction with the community. So what do you think about the test?
It was kind of hard, but
What's your name? Yusuf. MashaAllah. Yusuf participated also in the Quran competition. And he scored. Should I say the number now? No, maybe Dr. Rahim will announce the numbers, inshallah, by the night of 27. And what's your name? Let's see. What do you think about the exam today? Hard. Oh. What do you think? Did you miss lots of questions? Okay, so let's go to the next, Muhammad. Okay, mashallah. So what's your name again? It was hard. Oh, that's another one. Okay, did you miss?
The first question I spent 10 minutes on.
Okay, 10 minutes spent on the first question to answer. Okay. Who else participated in the Islamic knowledge competition? Where's Ishan? Yes. Okay, you know what? I'm not here exposing secrets, but we have in our community our genius. May Allah bless him. May Allah protect him. May Allah keep him always under his protection. Ishan is helping me a lot. Actually, with Brother Hassan, where's Brother Hassan? The cameraman. In the website, in the YouTube channel, mashallah, they are doing amazing work. So I want you please to thank them. Give them a round of applause for Hassan and Ishan, mashallah. I feel proud when we see these examples in our community. So did you participate in the exam? What do you think? It was good, mashallah. How long it took for you to answer the exam? Okay, 2 minutes, mashallah. Takbir. That's great. That's great. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And you know our Imam Zahid, after 16 days in Ramadan, his throat and he got tired. So, right? Okay, he got tired. So can you give him a round of applause to let him continue? MashaAllah. And I want to just mention to all of you the idea since when I came to 2018, the idea that we had Brother Zahid actually to give the bigger message to the community. Zahid was born, raised up in our community. Then he moved to the Islamic school to memorize Quran, to bring him back to the community so he can lead the salah, to be a good example, to say, yes, I was raised up in this community and I came back, I memorized the Quran, and I came back to serve the religion of Allah and to serve my community. That's my intention, actually, by having Brother Zahid every night to give that message to the young generation. That you need to go back to your community to tell them, I came to serve you, and he is a great example on this. Are you ready for the dua? Yes. Allahumma laka alhamdu ya Rabbana kama tuhibbu wa kama tarda. Allahumma salli wa sallim wa barik ala sayyidina Muhammad. Allahumma taqabbal salatana wa qiyamana wa du'ana wa tadarru'ana wa tadallulana. Allahumma taqabbal minna Ramadan. Allahumma la tada' Ramadan yamdi illa wa qad ghafarta lana ad-dhunub wa satarta 'anna al-'uyub. Innaka 'ala kulli shay'in qadir. Allahumma ansur ikhwanana fi Filistin. Allahumma اربط على قلوبهم وثبت أقدامهم وانصرهم نصرا عزيزا مؤزرا. إنك على كل شيء قدير. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.
الله أكبر. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. حي